Welcome to our video showcase of the 2025 BMW R12 S, a stunning tribute to a true legend that seamlessly blends modern innovation with vintage charm. In this video, we explore how BMW Motorrad has masterfully crafted this iconic motorcycle. Drawing inspiration from the legendary R12 S of the 1970s while infusing it with contemporary technology, comfort, and dynamic performance. The R12 S features a striking lava orange metallic finish, accented with red double line work and orange contrast stitching on the seat, paying homage to its retro roots while making a bold statement on today's streets. The brushed aluminum details on the tank and seat hump add a touch of sophistication, emphasizing its exclusivity. Underpinning its eye-catching design is the legendary Boxer engine, delivering that unmistakable boxer punch and a pure #soul fuel experience. The bike offers three versatile riding modes: rain, road, and dynamic. Allowing riders to tailor their experience for comfort, efficiency, or exhilarating performance. Built on the R1290 platform, the R12 S provides a modern riding experience with advanced features and extensive standard equipment, making every journey not only stylish but also comfortable and engaging. If you're a seasoned rider or a passionate enthusiast, this motorcycle is a perfect synthesis of art and engineering, celebrating BMW's rich heritage while embracing the future of motorcycling. Join us as we delve into the details of this remarkable machine, from its design philosophy to its cutting-edge technology, and see why the BMW R12 S is truly a masterpiece on two wheels. So, let's paint the town orange and discover what makes this bike a modern legend in the world of motorcycling.